In this video, I'll show you how to make a logo in Canva. First, open your web browser, go to Canva, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, type logo into the search bar and select the logo design format to create a new project. Next, choose a logo template if you want a quick starting point, or start with a blank design. Replace the sample text with your business or brand name and adjust the font to match your style. Now, click Elements to add icons, shapes, or graphics to your logo. You can also change the colors, resize the elements, and move them around until you're happy with the design. Keep your logo simple and easy to recognize. After that, use the toolbar to customize the fonts, spacing, and colors. If needed, upload your own graphics or images by clicking Uploads and adding files from your computer. Finally, click the Share button, then select Download. Choose PNG as your file format, select any additional options available with your plan, and save the logo to your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a logo in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.